Well, folks, closer look. There's a modern building, I thought. It's got a pretty good wall to it, but doesn't look like it has any windows. Double guard. Sure enough. Not good, not good. Like someone recently drove here. Someone would drive in there. I don't know, I say that's a window that fell down that way. Or a tower for one. It'd be right next to this creek. Again, this is my logic, which is not necessarily right. I'm not going through that. If I could get there, I'd know in 5 seconds. Hey, I could climb on the fence, like this. I see some kind of platform. Look at the size of that timber. Timber, platform. Some game show. Oh no, this one's loose. That looks like a platform. And that definitely looks like it was a structure that was... Oh, am I even talking through my butt? It's like I want to see one so bad. I don't know, there's a bunch of wood. They're using those huge ones in the poor fence posts. Okay, going back. Excuse me. That worked. Now we shall check this building. This thing doesn't look like more than a shell. The cattle were using it for shelter. Is there no way through but through the tall grass? It's back here then. Dang it, we're gonna have to find a way over there. Tell from here though, it is nothing more than a shell. I like the abandoned property where I am, where they just walked away from it. Working it at least. There's a machine. And stone blocks. Someone jammed through here. Another machine. Holy moly, it's going to take me all year just to survey these. National forest on each side of us here, probably by the trees. This may well be state property. Hey, is this State Road 4344? This is not marked. State Road, I mean Forest Service Road? Maybe that's why this is mode, sort of. Oh, vehicle. I wish I had my big stick. I may be 4 or 5 miles further down 10 Mile. So not too far. I.e., we'll come back. What is this place? Oh, there's a couple more over there. Old horse-drawn ones. Now, this may be one of the named, well-numbered forest roads. Not too well advertised, because there were no trespassing signs up there whatsoever. And it showed that it did go through private property before it continued again. So they're just not advertising it. Go away, any snakes! I want to go over there. Those are technically machines, but I think there are some pieces of wagon over here. Brake handles right there. Iron wheels popping out. They're all over this hillside, so it's got to be. And this has been abandoned for a while. Okay, you know where they are. You can come back when conditions are better. More things thrown on that hillside behind the house. Well, we'll go look at the building. Shell that it is. Look at that. That'd be a good lair for him. More. No, I don't have a flashlight or anything else. This doesn't have night vision. Hello! Oh geez, there's some bones in there. Something got dragged in there myself. Infrared enhanced or something like that. Okay, we need to cover this hole. Alright. Left there. Oh, it does have a little, yeah, like I'm going down there. Oh, the floor's collapsing. Actually, if I had long pants, I would go down there in a second. Alright, damn it. Nothing down there! Let's take a look. Things in here, boxes and gears. And this floor is going to collapse sometime. Wow. From a historical perspective, it's worth looking at. Oh yeah, old tools in there. I don't know if it's anything different from what I've seen, but it's like an old archaeological site. That's all they have to be. Gas stove. An old car. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Cabinets are now all messed per usual. Oh my god, I still got hair on it. That's what threw me off. I came in here to die. collapse in on me any second. We're out. Alright, basement needs to be explored before this collapses in on itself. Would be good to get a look up at the top. There's a whole other attic up there. I saw shadows of things. I mean, it may not be worth it, the effort to go up there. It's even possible. That's a little bit out of reach right now. Chain is very useful if you can pack it out. Hello, little bird. You're a little swallow, aren't you? Yeah. I'd rather put something over this so people don't fall on it.